How to fix Windows temporary profile error. 1. Perform SFC and DISM scans. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan helpdism/online/cleanupimage/check helpdism/online/cleanupimage/restore help to. Sign in with your password, instead of your PIN. Note, you need to remove existing PIN. 3. Delete or correct any entry with .bucket in the end at hkey_local_machine /software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/profile list in registry editor. Hint, locate any folder that has the profile image path that points to C users. 4. Refresh the location in Documents. 5. Update your system. 6. Check or uninstall your third-party, say, Avast antivirus. Plan B, clean boot your system. 7. Log into Windows Safe Mode. 8. Run error checking.